Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you've been seeing LED masks everywhere lately and wondering, are these actually worth it or are they just another skincare trend? Well, you are not alone. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti and I am basically all things skincare obsessed, and I'm certified in skincare and repair from Harvard University, and I love testing out beauty devices to see which ones are actually worth your money. Now, with that being said, I actually have a friend who is obsessed with Wavytalk hair tools, and she literally owns all of the devices from them. And she recently asked me and she said, I want an LED mask next, but I have no idea which one is actually good. She mentioned that Wavytalk had the Glowtime mask, which she had not tried yet. So she asked me to try one out and let her know my results. So I do have one here to share with you my experience with the Wavytalk Glowtime. And I'll also be sharing how to choose the best LED mask, because there are so many options out there and not all LED masks are created equal. So today I'll be breaking down how to choose a high quality LED mask and giving you a full review of the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first let's talk about the design. When I first took the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask out of the box, I immediately noticed how soft and flexible it is. It's lightweight, so it doesn't feel bulky on your face, and the top strap design makes it super secure on your head. This is actually huge because a lot of LED masks can feel stiff or uncomfortable on your face, but this one molds so nicely to your face, and especially around your forehead and your cheeks and your jawline. It actually hugs the contours of your face, so there's no gaps between the mask and your face, so your skin is getting all of that effective LED anti-aging treatment. It actually does feel good on your skin, and I also like how it doesn't get too hot on your skin. So some masks are actually heavy and some have actually left me sweating, but not this one. And it also has this built-in eye protection, which is super important. So overall, it is a very comfortable and very wearable mask. Because it's so lightweight, it's also really easy to take with you if you're like me and you have to travel a lot for work. You can easily pack this in your bag and have it with you on the go, and so you can keep up with your treatment. So now let's talk about how to choose a good LED mask. So this is the part you really want to pay attention to. If you're investing in an LED mask, there are 4 things you really need to look out for. So first, the number of LED chips versus coverage does matter. The more LED chips that a mask has, the more even and effective your treatment will be. The Wavytalk Glowtime has 456 FDA cleared clinical grade LED chips. That's high density coverage, which means you'll get more consistent light distribution and therefore you'll get better overall results. Second, you want to look for targeted design. This is what most people overlook, and this is actually one of my favorite features of the Glowtime mask. It has a T-zone and a U-zone targeted design. So your T-zone, which is your forehead and your nose, will be targeted. This will help to focus the LED light to help control oils on your skin and acne. And then there is the U-zone, which is the cheeks and the jawline, which will focus on anti-aging and wrinkles. So instead of treating your entire face the same way, this mask is actually targeting different skin concerns strategically. So then there's the wavelength and light mode. This is where things get really important. A high quality LED mask should offer multiple wavelengths. For example, the Wavytalk Glowtime has red light with 600 to 700 nm, which is going to boost collagen, it's going to reduce fine lines, and it's going to help with anti-aging. Then it also has 850 nm NIR light near infrared, which is going to provide deep penetration to work below the surface of your skin and will help support your skin's long-term skin health. This mask also has a blue light, which helps with acne and reduces bacteria and helps to calm breakouts. And then it has yellow light as well, which is brightening and helps with pigmentation and skin rejuvenation. So because the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask has all of these, it makes it super versatile depending on your skin's goals. So there is a lot that you can achieve skincare wise with this mask. So then you want to look for certification. This is a non-negotiable. When you purchase an LED mask, you want something that's FDA cleared and third-party tested, not just self-tested by the brand. The Wavytalk Glowtime mask checks both of these boxes, which gives it a much higher level of credibility and safety. So now let's talk comparison and my real usage and some tips that I have. So how does this compare to other LED masks in general that I've tested and tried? What I've noticed is the comfort level is higher and the coverage is more even with the Wavytalk, and the targeted zones make it feel more intentional. So how do you use the Glowtime? When you use this mask, you always want to start with clean skin, and then you simply put the mask on, adjust the straps, and then you select your light mode, and you can just go ahead and relax for about 10 to 20 minutes. And I love that this mask has a built-in timer, so you can use 10, 15, or 20-minute sessions. It will automatically go off when your session is done, so you don't have to worry about getting the right amount of treatment time for you. And it's honestly such an easy routine to add into your skincare routine, especially at night. It makes such a great addition to my nighttime skincare routine. Or I personally also really love using this before an event because it makes my skin feel so much brighter and glowing even after just one use. And I personally love using this before I do my makeup because I feel like it makes my makeup look so much smoother. And even today I did use my mask before I did my makeup and I loved my results. So overall, my results and my experience with the Glowtime: with consistent use, you can expect smoother looking skin, a more even skin tone, and a healthier glow to your skin as well. And if you're someone who gets facials and uses lasers or invests in injectables, this is going to be perfect for your maintenance because it will help extend your results and it will help to support your skin between treatments, so it'll make your treatments more effective and actually last longer.
This LED mask from Wavytalk can be a really great alternative to more expensive treatments. I found that I don't need to go into the med spa or plastic surgeon's office as often since using at-home devices, which has helped me save so much money over time. And I love how I can do it in the comfort of my home, and it's so easy to fit into my routine. And I love how adding things like an LED mask into my routine helps support my overall skincare results and keeps my skin looking more refreshed between appointments. Overall, my skin has been looking smoother and more refreshed, which has been a really nice bonus alongside my usual routine. Even my husband has noticed a difference, which is always nice, and I love that I'm saving money too.
So my final thoughts: the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask truly stands out because it has those 456 high density LED chips, and it has this unique T-zone and U-zone targeted design, and it has multi-wavelength therapy and 850 nm and deep penetrating NIR light, and it's FDA cleared, and it is also third-party tested. So if you're trying to figure out which LED mask is actually worth it and how to choose the right one, this is definitely one that I highly recommend. So if this video has helped you today, make sure and give it a like, subscribe for more skincare and beauty deep dives, and I will have everything for the Wavytalk Glowtime LED mask linked down below. So till next time, stay glowing, beauties.